People, if you want to build worth, listen to this video. If you want to build worth, wealth, prosperity, listen to this. If you've been dreaming for so long, I want to be in a mansion, I want to be in this, trust me, that mansion is not going to happen one day. You just have to start one day at a time, baby step. Okay, listen.
In our community, I'm a mortgage broker. I see so many one-person applications, and that one person makes $5,000 a month. It's simple math. 46% is what's called your housing expense ratio. Now let's say there's a husband and wife, and they both make $5,000 each. What's 46% of 10 grand? $4,600 per month versus $2,300 per month. Right now in Broward County, the average mortgage payment as of March 2023, $3,000 per month. So when you don't have mom and child teaming up together, or husband and wife teaming up together, or grandma that has Social Security, mom that has a job, child that has a job, teaming up together, you're not gonna qualify for a mortgage right now. That's how you get pushed out of your neighborhood. It's just that simple. So if we don't fix the fundamental problems, marriage, stop divorcing each other over trivial matters. It's the truth. I'm speaking the truth. Like, come on, at some point you gotta have respect in the relationship and not yell at each other. Just calm it down a little bit and think about the bigger picture.
Yeah. Take that advice. All he's saying is nowadays the market is too hot. If you depend on one income, you cannot get into it. Real estate is not that bad. You might go in and meet a lot of difficulties. In the beginning, it's very difficult. But when you get used to it, trust me, there's a lot of prosperity ahead. Okay? So instead of you struggling and giving up, team up. Team up with your colleagues. Team up with your friends. Team up with your family. A grandma living at home, a mom living at home, a child going to working and living at home. You can put your money together. Put your money together. Give yourself 5 years. Trust me, you will get that money that you want to move up from where you are to another grace. Listen, the reason why a lot of us black people are being priced out of this market is this reason. Because we don't have the support, we don't have that generational worth. We did not inherit any generational worth. So therefore, there's no money there, extra money to tap into. So the only money that we depend on, we take care of to take care of our kids, to take care of our daily life, to take care of everything, is just that one single income. If you're married, kudos. If you have two incomes, kudos. And listen to that advice. Don't divorce, don't separate over trivial matters. Because let's think of bigger picture. Let's have a bigger picture. Okay, now let's stick together. Let's endure some kind of hardship. Okay, let's endure some kind of hardship in marriage together, because trust me, singleness is killing us. Okay, singleness will bring you poverty in this part of the world. So a word to a wise is enough. Okay, thank you for watching.